Welcome, students, to today's lecture on the histology of the lymphatic system. In this script, we will delve into the intricate details of the lymphatic system, exploring its structure, cell composition, functions, and various disorders. Get ready for an exciting journey into the microscopic world of histology. The lymphatic system is a vital component of our immune system, working in close coordination with the circulatory system. It serves as a drainage network, collecting excess tissue fluid and returning it to the bloodstream. The lymphatic system also plays a crucial role in immune surveillance and response. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures located throughout the body and are integral parts of the lymphatic system. They are encapsulated organs composed of dense connective tissue and are present in clusters, forming lymph node chains. Lymph nodes receive a dual blood supply, comprising the afferent lymphatic vessels and the arterioles. The afferent lymphatic vessels bring the lymph, containing antigens and immune cells, into the lymph nodes. Meanwhile, arterioles supply oxygenated blood to nourish the cells within the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are populated by a diverse array of immune cells, including lymphocytes, macrophages, dendritic cells, and reticular cells. These cells are organized into distinct zones within the lymph nodes, namely the cortex, paracortex, and medulla. The cortex contains primary and secondary lymphoid follicles, harboring B and T lymphocytes, respectively. High endothelial venules, HEVs, are specialized postcapillary venules found primarily in the paracortical region of lymph nodes. These unique vessels facilitate the migration of lymphocytes from the bloodstream into the lymph nodes, enabling immune cell surveillance and engagement. Stromal cells, including fibroblastic reticular cells and follicular dendritic cells, provide structural and functional support to the lymph nodes. They contribute to the organization of immune cells and facilitate the interactions between various cell types. Lymph nodes serve as essential sites for antigen capture and processing. Antigens are captured by resident dendritic cells and macrophages within the lymph nodes. These antigen-presenting cells process and present the antigens to lymphocytes, initiating immune responses. Lymph nodes exhibit intricate cell migration patterns, allowing immune cells to interact and communicate effectively. This migration is regulated by chemokines and adhesion molecules, ensuring proper cell positioning and immune surveillance within the lymph nodes. During an infection, lymph nodes mount a robust immune response. Lymphocytes are activated, leading to an increase in their numbers and the production of specific antibodies to combat pathogens. This immune response often results in an enlargement of the lymph nodes, indicating an ongoing battle against the infection. Lymph nodes can be involved in the spread of cancer cells from primary tumors. Metastatic cancer cells can travel through the lymphatic vessels and colonize the lymph nodes. This process, known as lymph node metastasis, plays a critical role in staging and treatment planning for cancer patients. Lymph nodes are primary lymphoid organs, where immune responses are initiated and modulated. Secondary lymphoid organs, such as the spleen and tonsils, serve specific functions in immune surveillance and response. Comparing the structure and functions of lymph nodes with these secondary lymphoid organs provides a comprehensive understanding of the immune system as a whole. Various disorders can affect the structure and function of lymph nodes. These include lymphadenitis, inflammation of lymph nodes, lymphadenopathy, enlarged lymph nodes, and lymphomas, cancerous growths in lymph nodes. Understanding these conditions is crucial for diagnosing and managing patients with lymph node disorders. In conclusion, the histology of the lymphatic system is a fascinating field of study. It enables us to appreciate the complexity of the immune response and understand the pathophysiology of various lymph node disorders. Being aware of the structure, function, and cellular composition of lymph nodes is essential for physicians, as it helps guide diagnosis and treatment strategies in clinical practice. Keep exploring this intricate world of histology, as it lays the foundation for a deeper understanding of human biology.